Hi, I'm Ian Stables, Senior Project Manager here at Berthon Boat Company, and this is Brynhilde, a 1958 Bermudian sloop designed by Fred Parker. Berthon have a long pedigree building and refitting both commercial boats and leisure yachts, and the sea trials process is paramount at the end of such a comprehensive restoration. Set procedures have been honed through working with the RNLI, the MOD, pilot authorities, professional captains, as well as owners of leisure yachts. New sails were fitted the morning of sea trials, made by Ratsey and Lapthorne, who also made the sails for Brynhilde when she was first launched in 1958. We set out with light northeasterly winds blowing a gentle 7 knots. On board we had myself, another Ian, the owner's surveyor, Adrian, the owner's personal shipwright, Tony, Brynhilde's skipper, and his wife Vanessa. A competent crew for a good first shakedown sail. All systems on board were given a thorough trial and satisfyingly only very minor issues identified. We even managed to fly the spinnaker, not bad for a first trip out. Brynhilde arrived with us on the 4th of October 2019 and left on the 1st of September 2021, 1 year, 10 months and 28 days later. There were points where she barely looked like a boat, stripped to her bare bones, no deck, no transom and large sections of her hull missing. It's been an absolute pleasure to work on such a boat, and it's a real joy to see her out on the water, restored to her former glory and finally sailing again. The success of the refit will only become apparent with extensive use, and we're delighted that Brynhilde has now resumed her normal cruising pattern in warmer climes.